The Yaber U11 projector offers a compelling home theater experience, particularly for those seeking an affordable upgrade. While it may not fully replace a high-end 4K television, it excels in creating an immersive cinematic atmosphere in darkened rooms. Key features and performance. Design and connectivity. The projector's sleek design and versatile connectivity options, including HDMI, USB, and Bluetooth, make it easy to integrate into various home entertainment setups. Image quality. The U11 produces a satisfying image quality in controlled lighting conditions. However, image clarity can degrade when projecting larger images or in brighter environments. Smart features. The built-in operating system offers basic smart features, such as a file manager and screen mirroring. However, the interface is somewhat limited and can be sluggish at times. Audio. While the built-in speakers provide adequate sound for casual viewing, external speakers are recommended for a more immersive audio experience. Overall, the Yaber U11 is a solid choice for budget-conscious consumers looking to create a home theater without breaking the bank. Its strengths lie in its versatility, ease of use, and ability to project large images. However, potential buyers should be aware of its limitations, such as image quality in bright environments and the somewhat limited smart features.